Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is February the 19th, 2021. We're going to give you all an update price prediction for Bitcoin Cash. We're also going to digest what has occurred in the market since our last video for Bitcoin Cash. And then we're going to try to ensure that we are in position to capitalize on Bitcoin Cash next price movement. Before I go into that, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel if you are learning more about how to predict price movement to ensure we are all in position to capitalize from the plug. Now, if you all want to see our stock price predictions, you can head on over to our second YouTube channel at HueFin News 2, to where we give our stock price predictions in the stock market. The link is in the description of this video. I want to say welcome to John, Wall, and Ahmad. They are the newest community members within our perk package. Each of these individuals has either purchased the apprentice or the artisan perk. Welcome. We thank you all for the support. Hopefully we can continue to give you all information that is beneficial to you in your journey in trading or even in investing. Just want to say welcome to those three individuals. If you are interested in joining our community as well, there is a join button right next to the subscribe button on your particular device. Simply click on that and you all will be able to become part of our community, especially the artisan perk, to where we can collaborate more on whatever particular chart you may be interested in. All right, so make sure that is interesting to you. Go ahead and join and sign up. So here we are. We're looking at Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin Cash. And, you know, we expected some weakness coming to the market in Bitcoin Cash all the way back on January the 31st, 2021. And it did not occur. We got that particular forecast wrong. It did not go down at all in Bitcoin Cash. We definitely want to be transparent with each and every one of you that you cannot get every call in the market correct. And this is just one instance to where we did not get it right. And here it is. If anything, could have been down about 10, almost 11%. Let's say you're still into the market now in Bitcoin Cash and you were to get out today, we'll be down almost 81%. Yes, it was a massive loss right there into the market for Bitcoin Cash, something that we really didn't anticipate the market in Bitcoin Cash going that high, but it occurs. Okay. Now he has taken some of our soldiers out the battle. We need to try to get them back. All right. So let's go ahead and get rid of this and get in position on the anticipated price movement of the trap. Okay. Now the trap is the individual you guys see on the bottom left side of my screen. He moves the market. That is his whole purpose. That is his whole function. He is the individual behind the curtain who moves price. Now, once you're able to distinguish and interpret the price bars and the volume, you can actually participate right alongside with him in price movement. You can actually beat him in position. You can meet him to where price is going to go so you can capitalize on profit. That is something that we really emphasize here on this particular channel. So let's do this real quick. Obviously, the trend into the market in Bitcoin Cash is in a uptrend, right? That is the current direction in the market for Bitcoin Cash. So this horizontal line I got on my chart, we're not going to utilize that. It's not being useful being down here around $470, $475. So what we need to do, we simply need to change it, right? So this is one trend that the market in Bitcoin Cash currently is going through. This is the other one. And this particular slope into the market in Bitcoin Cash is a lot massive. It's a lot stronger than the overall trend in this space for Bitcoin Cash. Something that can be, or the question that we need to answer is, can it be continued? Can we continue to see this market in Bitcoin Cash hold this first trend to higher price? Or will we break it and then ultimately come down and settle down to this second trend that I have drawn on this particular chart? That is the question. Now, which line is more applicable right now? Correct, this first one. So we really don't need to have this line here just yet. Just something that we wanted to pinpoint and show you all that this also is the trend into the market in Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of that. We don't really need to see that. Now, what we need to talk about into the market in Bitcoin Cash is what has been going on over the last 4 or 5 trading days. All right. Are we going to continue to see the strength into the market in Bitcoin Cash while it's trading around these all-time highs on this Coinbase exchange? Even though this may not be the all-time high into the market. Oh, excuse me. This isn't the all-time high into the market of Bitcoin Cash. As I zoom out, you guys can see that the all-time high for Bitcoin Cash for Coinbase was around $42, almost $4,300. So excuse that mishap. So the first thing I wanted to show you all into the market in Bitcoin Cash is precisely where restriction is. Okay. So around $800 is where the overall market restriction is going to be found in Bitcoin Cash. Okay. Now we are already seeing the market in Bitcoin Cash finding a shallow area of restriction right now where the price is trading at. But $800 is a bigger area, even all the way up here around $900. Now, it's very good to see the market in Bitcoin Cash give us some strength. It is very good to see the market in Bitcoin Cash hold this area. That is very positive to see that in order for us to see the strength go higher in price, in order for us to see the continuation of movement higher from the trap, we need to see that. Very, very good to see that play out. Now, we already established that there is a restriction area in the market for Bitcoin Cash around $800. The support area over the last 4-5 trading days is right here around 680. We're going to continue to expect the market in Bitcoin Cash to continue to go higher in price because the trap has definitely informed us off the last 4 trading days that he wants to prop up the market around $680. That is very good to see that. Okay. So we're going to continue to anticipate this strength to come to the market in Bitcoin Cash. Nothing hard about it. Very simple to see and understand. Let's go ahead and place the forecast into the market. Okay. 680 is going to be applicable in the sense of maintaining the prospect of higher price. The trap breaks $680 to the downside. We're under the presumption that the market will continue to go lower. So far, that's not the case. So far, the business is still in play. So we're going to follow that. And ultimately, we're going to try to see this market in the Bitcoin Cash come down towards $800, which is about 11.25% away from that restriction line. All right, so let's play it. Now, the overall trend into the market in Bitcoin Cash is still there. I mean, when you look at this market on the 5-day time frame, the market is showing us that yes, it is going through some weakness right now, but we're closing right where we started the 5-day price bar. Weekly time frame, same thing, right? So it lets us know that the overall market is not that weak, even though it has endured some selling in the space. The monthly time frame in Bitcoin Cash definitely emphasizes that we can see the market in Bitcoin Cash come to $900, even $1,000 in the long term. Okay, we have what, 9 days and 13 hours left before this monthly price bar concludes, and the strength is still being revealed as of this particular moment. So we're playing the strength. Simple to see, simple to understand. As always, I like to give each and every one of you the opportunity to express and write what you all think about Bitcoin Cash in terms of where do you think the trap is going to go, because you need to ensure that you are in position to capitalize off of it. This is our prediction. This is our thought process. What is yours? What is your price prediction for Bitcoin Cash? Let us know with a comment in the comment section. Also, tell us, where would you meet the plug? At what price would you take your profit at? And that's it. Where do you think Bitcoin Cash is going to be in the next 2 weeks? Do you think we're going to break that restriction area of $800, or do you think we're going to break this ascending line to the downside? Let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.